nothing much. Magkukwento lang ako since ang feeling ko ang mas makaka-relate ako sa magiging subject ko for this semester. Ang arte nakakaurat. Like, sa first year ko, or sige, let's say, first semester, I guess. So, feeling ko, understanding the self. Kasi, ako sa sarili ko, tinamog pa na yung galaw ng buhok para bang hindi siya mapakali na nakaka-irita na siya pagalaw-galaw. Tapos, pero look at that, I'm so ganda. Like, even guys, I don't have cluster, I don't have lashes, I don't have,
at kung sakali iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako.
So, ayun agad. Kahit wala akong cluster, kahit wala akong lipstick or like lip tint or like lippy, and then I don't have blush on, I'm still charot lang. Anyway guys, I think that's it for today's video, because it's currently 11:58 p.m. in the evening on July 31, 2026, and mag-August na guys. August na guys. Next, okay. Antayin natin mag-August. I'm gonna wait. Mag-August ha. Okay, 59 pa rin. Hindi ako mapakali sa buko, no? Parang tanga lang, nakakairita. Wala pa guys. Still, that intro guys always got me. Ay, kunwari, ako, side view. Ang arte ko naman, wala pa. Ano matag dun? Then, it's the first of the month. Ay, wake up. It's the first of the month. Okay. So, ayun lang guys. August na guys. Wow. Time flies so fast. Anyway, that's it. Ang dal-dal ko lang na para na akong tang wala nang wala nang kabuluhan yung mga pinagsasabi ko. So, ayun lang guys. Parang anyway, oo na nga, that's it na nga, diba? Paulit-ulit nakakairita na lang.